Do you want to learn mastery class of digital marketing? Then please subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. You will get 20 modules of digital marketing and strategies. If you need my digital marketing mastery class of PDF files, then you have to comment below yes I want. I will share my PDF files in the after reaching of 100 likes. I will share my PDF files on description below. Without wasting of any time, let's get started. I want to explain you what is the modules in the digital marketing. So without going to any training institute, you have to learn the digital marketing course in online and YouTube channels and many other websites, the popular website. So without wasting of any time, so I will explain you 20 modules of digital marketing like modules. So I will explain you enter the topics. So first one is advanced SEO HTML. So advanced SEO with HTML. So this is the topic in SEO, search engine optimization. People who know like title, description, meta tag, meta description, OG titles and OG tags and schema tags and Google Analytic codes. So these are embedded into the like an HTML web page. So we have to optimize the websites through this one, like have to optimize the websites each and every one, like title and description and keywords. So this HTML will help you, right? This HTML will help you out into embed into the websites. Like if you want to like new the schema or feature snippets or rating snippets, so you can directly go to the Google schema.org. We can get the schema.org, JSON scripts, everything. These are the advanced SEO with HTML. So what is SEM and PPC, Google AdWords, Bing Ad Center? So I will explain you what is SEM and PPC. So SEM in the sense search engine marketing, and PPC is pay per click. Google AdWords is the like promoting ad publisher, and Bing Ad Center is this is also one of the search engine ad center. So here what we can do in SEM, search engine marketing, we can promote any other product or services through Google AdWords. So we can promote any other product or else services through Google AdWords or else Bing Ad Center. Bing Ad Center is the Microsoft ad network, and Yahoo is also one of the popular Google search engine. And here PPC is the concept of Google AdWords. Here Google AdWords, I already told you there are 9 different objective campaigns are there. Here we can promote our business through Google AdWords, like to generate the traffic to the website, or else for the lead generation, branding, or also website development, application development. So there are 9 different campaign methods are in Google AdWords. So next one is email marketing. How many people know the email marketing? Please comment below in the comment section, and I will explain you email marketing. So here 90% of the people open the emails each and every day. So they will open the mails and they will redirect to some other websites. So here what happening? So actually email marketing will help you to generate the more sales and more lead generation part. So here what they will do? Email marketing, they collect the communities, they collect the community data, they collect the audience data, and they will generate the leads. So what they did in email marketing, they will create some subjective content and they will push the content to the audience. That audience will see the content. If they like the product or service, and they will purchase the product or service. This is the concept of email marketing. Audience is convert to leads. Concept of email marketing. So everyone knows the social media marketing. Nowadays social media marketing is a craziest one. So social media marketing, all of you know that Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, Google Plus, Pinterest. Google Plus is not there, and Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Most of the people are generate leads from the LinkedIn nowadays. Like Facebook, I tell you the Facebook campaign. Here in social media marketing, there are 2 ways are there to promote your brand or services. Like in social media, in organic way, we can promote our brands, like to create innovative and creative posters like graphic designings, and we can post into the social media pages. Actually, you have to create the pages in all social media platforms, and we can boost the pages. This is the one type of organic method what we promote our brand or services. The second method is paid marketing. Paid social media marketing, in the sense like we have, for the particular post, we have to boost that product or services into the social media platforms like FB ad manager and in LinkedIn ad manager, Twitter ad manager. There are multiple ad managers depend upon the social media platforms. So here what we'll do, suppose example, I'll take Facebook. Facebook is a platform, there are 5 million users, more than 5 million users are there in Facebook. So we can convert the audience to the leads. How we can do, like in FB ad manager, there are multiple ad campaigns are there. Suppose if you want to boost your page, if you want to boost your post, if you want to boost anything like product or sales, anything, we can boost through Facebook. Here there are awesome audience are there in Facebook, so we can capture the audience, we can convert the leads. So this is the concept of social media marketing. People know the mobile marketing. What is mobile marketing? 90% of the people are using smartphones. They are busy with social media. So we can capture the data, we can attention the audience. So here what we'll do, we can create a websites, we can create social media pages, we can create applications, entire thing. We have to boost the websites, have to boost the our product services. For example, I'll tell you the mobile marketing example. What is main need of mobile marketing? So we can attention, we can capture the data of audience in mobile also. So digital marketing, in the sense we have to capture the audience in each and every platform. That is known as digital marketing. Mobile, if they don't like the mobile UI of your website, people simply they went off. So actually you have to build a mobile marketing strategy also, like applications and websites. Even have to good at website SEO also. Sixth one is content marketing. So what is the content marketing? Nowadays content is the king in online marketing. What I will tell you, the content marketing. People will write blogs and websites, and each and website need a content. So without content there is no SEO, no social media, no digital marketing. So content, what is the content? Content means, suppose for example, if you buy a camera which is super duper lens and super duper clarity and resolution, so what you write here, so if you write your own words, you have to explain to the Google, and you have to market the content into the search engines. So here I am telling the content example, a content marketing example. For suppose you have a product or services, explain the product essential needs and what they need, what is the pros, what is the cons of the product. So then people will easily trust your product. You are giving a value to the product. So here content marketing will help you to gain the leads and to generate the services, to generate the leads to your product or services. Seventh one is Google Maps. Why you need Google Maps? For suppose you are running a business or you are running any retail business, Google Maps is must and should. It is a local business listing, local business maps. Local business maps, in the sense like local listing. You have to update your website, you have to update your mobile number, you have to set your retail location in Google. You have to fetch the location in Google. For suppose any customer is any user is typing some other keyword, so your Google Map listing will be shown on the first results. So it will help you to gain the more customers, to gain the more leads from your website or else any other. Eighth one is Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics will track your website. How many visitors are visiting your website? How many people are visiting your site? So here we can track entire information of your website visitors and all. So Google Analytics will provide you an embedded code. So that code will be copied into the website search engine, like website on page SEO. So we can paste into the before the header section. So here we can track the entire analytics report of your website. So this is the concept of Google Analytics. Here we can create a goals, like a lead. Here we can create a landing pages, and we can create the website analytic code, and we can create the website analytic acquisition. Entire thing we can track here. So what is Google Tag Manager? What is the difference between Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager? Here Google Analytics will track the like entire website traffic of acquisition and real-time website visitors. Coming up to here, Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager will track the advertisement ROI. What is advertisement ROI? Advertisement ROI means like people who are advertised already into the business. Suppose you created a advertisement, so that advertisement will show the report. So that advertisement reports will show here. So here, without tracking, without embedding any code to your analytics code, here we can track entire report of advertisement ROI. So this is called the Google Tag Manager. So the 10th one is earning money via blogs and YouTube videos. People are earning the crores of money into the Google and through Google AdSense and YouTube videos. How they are doing this? So Google Money is a pretty decent money. They give a passive income to the blogs and YouTube videos. So well, you have a special talent like creating a blogs and explaining the content of your videos, explaining the content of through your own words. You can create a blog or WordPress blogs and also blogspot.com. You can create a blog, or else you can, after reaching the community guidelines of Google AdSense, you can approach your blog to Google AdSense. The Google AdSense will show you the ads on your websites. Through that you can earn money through Google AdSense. YouTube videos. Is YouTube videos also same thing. You have a content on your own video. Suppose for example I am recording this digital marketing 10 modules. So while uploading on YouTube, so YouTube will pay me something about dollars. So this is called like content marketing and also YouTube marketing videos. While approaching Google AdSense, after reaching a community guidelines of both Google community guidelines, we can directly embed to our website to Google AdSense. After approval, Google AdSense will display the ads into the website and YouTube. This is the concept of earning money via blogs and YouTube videos. What is affiliate marketing? I will explain you affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, in the sense, lot of people know that marketing is the commission based money. So commission based money, how you will generate a commission based money? Commission based money in the sense, like suppose Amazon, Flipkart or any big MNC companies are giving like affiliate marketing. If you sell any product through your referral link, you will get affiliate, you will get some commission based money. This is called affiliate marketing, simple way. 12th one is shopping e-commerce advertisement. I already explained you about Google AdWords and also social media marketing, how shopping e-commerce advertisement will work. And here social media, they will promote the brands, they will promote their products into the social media and also Google AdWords. So this is the simplest explanation of the shopping e-commerce advertisement. Through couple of promotional brands, they also promote their product. For example, influence marketing is a booming marketing in online. So they will promote through some big influencers and their product, and they will sell the product. What is Google Merchant Center? Google Merchant Center in the sense, suppose here I explained you in 12th module shopping e-commerce advertisement. Here they will embed the website into the Google Merchant Center. So the users, how many users are searching for the keyword, how many users are need the particular product. Here we can track the entire report of the keywords of the users. So this Google Merchant Center is help you to generate the more leads, to generate the website traffic, to generate the users needs. So everything we can track by Google Merchant Center. What is the Google Search Console? Google Search Console. What is a Google Search Console? Like, what is the difference between Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager and Google Search Console? Both are like similar, like not same but similar. Google Analytics, we can track the analytics code, analytics of the data of the website. Google Tag Manager, here we can track the advertisement ROI. Here Google Search Console, we can track and we can submit the sitemap of the website. Sitemap in the sense, like every website have a sitemap. So Google will crawl the website. That crawl in the sense visit the websites where we are indexing the websites to the Google Search Console. Like we are giving information to the Google, that is called Google Search Console. Here we can track entire information of the performance of the website and also any errors, and we can change the like any website mobile speed. We can track each and everything in Google Search Console. 15th one is YouTube video ads. In YouTube, while opening your any video, you can display the stream ads, skippable ad, bumper ad. There are many ads will be shown on the YouTube. So how people are creating video ads, YouTube video ads? You know how they will do. So Google AdWords, I already told you, Google AdWords is the ad publisher network. Here they will promote the video through Google AdWords. Here they will set the ads campaigns, like I already told you 9 campaign objectives are there. There are more than 9 objective campaign modules are there. In YouTube video advertisement, there are 4 different campaigns are there: skippable, bumper ad, and display ad. Any advertisement campaign objectives are there. So they will set the advertisement through YouTube like 15 seconds or 30 seconds or more than that. So they will set up the campaign and they will set up the audience, they'll set up the age, and they will bid the amount and they'll put up the schedule. So this is how YouTube video ads will work. So I already explained display advertisement. Display advertisement can be done 2 ways. Like we can display our ads to mobile applications, and also YouTube ads, and also website ads. So this display advertisements will redirect to the website. Suppose if you boost any product or services, suppose you are giving digital marketing free course in online, so you can create a display advertisement that will display on the websites and as well as applications, as well as mobiles, as well as websites. So it will cover entire all 3 streaming video, mobile applications, and also website applications. So this is very important. 17th one, online reputation management. What is online reputation management? Suppose you are running a retail business, you are running any market, you are running any another software business. So this is the main important to the each and every software industry. Like online reputation in the sense, if the customer or if the user types any feedback to your website and Google business listing, so immediately the online reputation management will take care of the feedback to the customer. So they have to know the essential, what is the problem of the user. So they have to understand the customer need, so they can reply to the polite manner. This is called online reputation management. This online reputation management is a very demanded job in digital marketing. After learning of all modules, what you have to do? Freelancing project. How to get freelancing project? There are many websites are there. There are many freelancing projects you will get. Through LinkedIn, we have to generate the freelancing projects. 19th one is like building a website using WordPress. See here, website creation is very simple. In WordPress, it is very simple. We are creating a WordPress account, we are creating a theme, and we are applying a theme, and we have to edit the website. So simply we have to take the domain and we have to take the web hosting. So this is the main essential needs of the website. Have to purchase the domain and hosting and a theme. We have to get the free theme also in website in WordPress. So this is the way we have to create the website. Later on we have to do SEO part. So lead generation and increasing sales. So there are many ways to generate the leads and increase the sales. In digital marketing, I already told you previously, it is the digital channels. I'll explain you what is the digital channels here. You have to create the social media platforms and also website, Google business listing, and also influence marketing and also buzz marketing. These are the ways to increase the lead generation. For lead generation, you have to create the awareness and you have to show the interest to the audience. Then later you have to convert the audience to like leads. So this is the ways of increasing the sales. For increasing the sales, this is the best platform. I will tell you, Facebook is the best platform to increase your sales, and also LinkedIn also increase your business sales, like business communication part, and through Google AdWords you can generate the leads from Google AdWords also. Through YouTube you can convert the audience to lead generation. It is the way of chance of getting more lead generation. So friends, this is the 20 modules of digital marketing and digital promotion, what how we can promote the business or services. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the thumb button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends, thanks for watching my video.